Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a rose gold makeup look. I have some rose gold stuff to play with today. I do have some Decay Scarlet stuff. I have lots of other things. So that's what we're gonna do today. So this video is sponsored by Decay Scarlet. I'm gonna use some of their stuff in my video, just a couple other things. So they do have a rose gold kit that they just released. So Decay Scarlet is a new brand that has a bunch of palettes and they have like curated trend kits. The trend kit is kind of like what I'll be using today. So every month they have like a palette or a kit come out, and so it's like a monthly subscription thing. And the palettes, they do collaborations with popular YouTubers. So this month you'll be getting a rose gold makeup kit. The next month will be a palette. So the palettes and the kits, they both cost $29.95. So this month features 3 products. There's a high shine liquid eyeshadow. And this is in shade Melting Rose. There's a Longwear 2-in-1 eyeliner, and there is an all-over highlighting stick. So just like a little side note, Decay Scarlet is paraben-free and cruelty-free, and they do ship to the US, Canada, and the UK for free. Alright, so with that said, let's go ahead and start our little tutorial. For foundation, I'm going to use the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation, and I'm going to mix 2 and 3 together. For concealer, I'm going to use Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. Is that what that's called? Yes, that's what that's called. Alright, so let's go ahead and put her on. I love this concealer. She's one of my favorites. She's full coverage, looks beautiful. Ooh, yeah! Okay, blend her out, obviously. And make sure you're cute about it. Like this. What concealer? What dark circles? Snatched. Alright, now we're going to contour. I'm going to use this Smashbox contour, and this is a Smashbox Studio Skin Shading Foundation. It's a foundation and a stick contour in one. So I'm going to use the contour side. I haven't used this since it came out, probably like 2 years ago. I don't remember if I like it or not. I think I didn't like it at the time, but I have my whole routine and technique and everything is different, so we're gonna try it again. And this is in shade, foundation is 1.1, and it says plus soft contour right there. Okay, let's draw her on. Oh shit, she's a little thick. That one's a little thick. We're just gonna go for all of it right now. I like how skinny the end is for the nose. I hope this foundation's still good. This contour. Under the chin. Under the chin. Under the sea. Okay, let's see how it goes. Oh, watch me freaking love this. I feel like I'm going to. I mean, honestly, it's Smashbox. I love Smashbox. I love everything Smashbox, pretty much. Oh, girl, do you see that blend? How that blended? Oh, I love this. I think I found a new favorite. I love it. Oh my gosh. Alright, contouring is done, and contouring was very successful. I really enjoyed that. I really liked that. I really recommend that. Alright, moving on. Alright, so before I set my face, I typically would set my face at this point, but I do have one of these products from Decay Scarlet that I need to use. This is the all-over highlighting stick in shade Frozen Rose. So here it looks like. It's kind of hard to see the actual color of the stick because of my lights. So here are my lights adjusted a little bit. Hopefully you can see. Anyways, this is a highlighting stick, so this is a cream. So I am going to put this on now before I set my face, because if I put this on over my powders, it's just gonna like cake up and it's not gonna look very cute. So we're going to do this right now. We're literally just going to paint on. Now I'm going to set my face now that all the creams are done. I'm going to use just Patrick's powder like I always use from MAC. So I'm just going to take my sponge, tap into that, put it on like this. I'm going to erase any lines I have underneath my eyes and then just press right under the eyes. So for bronzer, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. I actually do not sure if I've ever used this before, but here's the packaging look like. It's really cute or whatever. I'm just gonna use this on a very fluffy blending brush. Ooh, look, it's rose gold. Everything rose gold. Bronze a little bit. I could totally skip bronzer, but then I would just feel naked. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna blush it up, and I'm going to use a lot of blush today because it's a rose gold look. Alright, so we're gonna use NARS Orgasm for blush. I love this blush. We're kind of gonna go ham a little bit, so let's go ham. So blush is very much so on. Let's start move on to highlighter. So for highlighter, we're gonna use a Flower Beauty highlighter. I'm gonna use the gold shade. So I'm gonna take the gold shade and really highlight with that, girl. Would you look at that? Oh, I love this highlighter so much. You guys don't sleep on Flower Beauty. I'm going to do my eyebrows and we'll be right back to do the eyes and the rest of the look. For the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and just do a pink crease. So grab any rose gold color looking pink. I'm grabbing a pink from the BH Festival palette and I'm going to just put that right into my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the deck of Scarlet High Shine Liquid Eyeshadow in shade Melting Rose. So as you can see, it's a liquid eyeshadow and this is a gold and it has a little bit of a rose gold reflex with a pink reflex. So it's almost like a duochrome. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that just to the eyelid. I'm going to take that all the way up in my crease. Kind of cut my crease a little bit. And I'm going to wing that out. Alright, so now since I have that shape down, that's what we were going for. I'm going to take the applicator and a little tiny brush and I'm going to put little dots in my crease above it. Almost like a line, or people normally do like a cut crease, but I'm going to put dots instead. Alright, so now that the rose gold eyeshadow is down, the liquid eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and take the same color I did on top and a little bit of a deeper pink. I'm going to kind of mix those together and I'm going to run that underneath the lash line. So the last product from Becca Scarlet I will be using is the Longwear 2-in-1 liner. This is in shade Desert Rose. So on one side there is a smudger and on the other side is the application. And here is the shade. So I'm going to grab this and put it into my waterline. So the eyes are complete. Before I move on to the lips and finish the look, there are a couple more things that I want to do with this look, just to amp it up a lot. So I'm going to take two loose pigments, these are both by ColourPop. There's one that's like a rose gold, but it's almost like brownish red, and there's one that's like pinky. So I don't have like the exact color that I want, so I'm gonna mix these together. This is the Twins and the Scales. So I'm gonna mix these two pigments together in just like a little tray. And I'm going to add water, like setting spray, whatever. And I'm just going to paint it all over my neck. It's gonna be a little crazy, but you know what? I'm ready to get crazy. And now we're just going to paint it on. Oh, that's pretty. Damn. That looks fine. That looks really cool. I've never done anything like this before and I love this. I'm living for this right now. Oh, girl, that just makes our jawline pop even more, honey. Let's go ahead and do our lips. Alright, so for my lip, I'm going to use Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in Doll Parts. So here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this. I really enjoy this. It's not anything super crazy. Honestly, just put loose pigment on my neck and it makes such a cool effect. I love it. Honestly, I think this is gonna be like a thing that I do more. I love to do this more. I love this. I'm obsessed with this. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I hope you guys like the rose gold kit from Deck of Scarlet. That's all over my eye. I think it's so pretty. And also a little bit on the highlight points. And yeah. So if you guys want to check out the Deck of Scarlet rose gold kit, you guys can click the link down below. You guys can check it out, purchase it, whatever you would like to do. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comments down below if you guys have any. I'd like to know your thoughts on the whole neck situation. And yeah, so if you guys like to subscribe to our channel if you've not already, please do so. I would thank you very much. I would appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.